Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Elm Ridge neighborhood within the Silverleaf community located in St. Augustine, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a model home by Richmond American Homes. This is the Lightner floor plan. This is a 2-story single family home. Features 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,000 square feet. Right here we are at a covered front porch. Let's take a look inside. All right, here we are in the entry. Nice wide entry. Continuing our tour, here to the left is the powder room. And all of the bedrooms will be upstairs. So upstairs you have the opportunity to have 3 to 4 bedrooms. Next we have the living room. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I service the Northeast Florida area. If you're looking to buy a new home, whether it's completed or plan to build, I'd love to assist you. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. All right, here we have the kitchen. Okay, this is the island. Now, if you do build from ground up, you can customize some structural options and then design options, countertops, flooring, paint colors. Now this model home does feature the gourmet kitchen option where you're going to have the vent and the cooktop here, and then the microwave combo. Standard would be a roll-in range with the microwave above. Okay, here's the pantry. Okay, single bowl sink, dishwasher, and then here's the dining room. Sliding door here. Here's the covered patio. Now there are a couple of structural options with the covered patio as well, being able to extend it. All right, moving over here, we have one closet to the left, garage entry door, and then here we have a storage. This one wraps around, so you have lots of space there for some storage. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Now, the 4th bedroom option would be in lieu of the loft that we see straight ahead. So if the 4th bedroom option was chosen, this would be closed and then turned into a 4th bedroom. All right, let's take a look at the laundry room. Now, Silverleaf is a natural gas community, so you do have the opportunity of having a gas dryer or an electric dryer. Hey, a linen closet. And here's bedroom 2. Let's take a look at the closet. Okay, next we have bedroom 3. closet here. Okay, we have the shared bathroom, and then we'll take a look at the primary suite. Okay, 2 sinks here. Shower tub combo. All right, let's take a look at the primary bedroom or master bedroom. All right, this one features a tray ceiling, and that's a optional structural option. Next we have the primary bathroom. Okay, 2 sinks here. Water closet. And then walk-in closet here. There is a structural option if you like the shower and a tub. There's an option to add a tub. And here is the walk-in closet. If you'd like more information on this floor plan, Richmond American Homes, or the Silverleaf community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.